Okay, let's take a start today, and we are going to work on fluency, and we will discuss few things which are related to pronunciation. So mainly, we are going to focus fluency as well as pronunciation, right? There are 26 letters in English language, and out of those 26 letters, there are like most of the letters we pronounce clearly. But some letters are there where we are not clear about their pronunciation. First of all, the first letter is actually A. What we do, we mostly pronounce it as A. It's not A, it's the curvy sound. A. A. There's a curve in the sound, right? A. Now, when I say A, I will not say may. I will say may. Like, may I come in? May, June, July, August, right? In the same way, I will say play. I will not say play. I will say play. So this is the first sound which is important, and you should pronounce it as the curvy one. A has two main sounds. One is long, one is short. Like A, and A. A is like when you say cat. Cat. We got the sound like A sound, right? So this is first thing. After that, the second important sound is C. What we do, we pronounce C as K, whereas actually C should be pronounced as K. For example, if I say coconut, otherwise normally what do people say? They say coconut, coco, calf. But actually it is coconut. So you should pronounce it like coconut, coin, cat, contain, right? So you should pronounce it like this. After that, we have the CH sound. What do people do? They pronounce CH as che, China. Whereas actually it should be pronounced like ch. So China, chat, chocolate, chatting, right? So you should pronounce it as ch sound. CH sound is like that. Okay? Then D is pronounced well, E is pronounced well, F. You will pronounce it like F. Like you say fire. Instead of saying fire, fire, you should say fire. Forest, forest, fire. Okay? Fun, fun. Like that. After F, we've got G, H, I, J is fine, K. Now what do? We pronounce it as K. It should be pronounced as K. For example, kind, kindly, kindness, king. So you should pronounce these words like this. After that, we've got L, M, N, O. What we do, we pronounce O. Actually, it is O. Again, curvy sound. O. So when you pronounce it as O, then you will pronounce the words differently. For example, if I say slow, one is slow, one is slow. Go, go. One is no, one is no. Oh, no. Right? So you should just pronounce it like this. Okay, then we have P. Again, the same problem. We pronounce P as P, whereas it should be pronounced as P. Like I say Punjab, I say Polka, I say Pakistan, or things like that. Okay? Then Q. Again, the K is missing. What we do, we pronounce it as Q. Actually, it is Q. Then R, S, and T. Again, the problem with T, we pronounce it as T. T. It should be T. For example, would you like to drink some tea? Right? Total petrol station, total filling station. Or if I say try again. Try. I'm not saying try. I'm saying try again, right? So this is the T sound. Then U, V, W, X, Y, Z, or Z. You pronounce the rest of the words fine. Okay? Now, try to focus these letters, and I'll just give you some situations, and you'll have to speak and try to use these sounds very, very clearly. For example, if I say, I want to drink some tea because I have a headache, and if I drink some tea, I think it is good for my headache. On the other hand, after the class, I'll buy a chocolate something like that. So try to use some words which are there, like C, T, P, Q, right? These sounds, and try to speak English in a style. Try to create that style and speak like that, okay? We'll start from you. Will you please give him the mic? And you can pick up any topic. It's all up to you, whatever you want. So, mic is off now. Put it closer.
Okay.
Yes. Now you can start.
But I have to talk about any topic.
About anything. Let's say today it's a fantastic day. The sun is shining outside and the birds are chirping. I can see the beautiful trees. T sound, T. I can see the beautiful Ken, K sound. I can see the beautiful trees and all that. Yes.
Today, weather is
Today.
Today.
A, today.
today, weather is very fantastic
Okay.
and looks very charming.
It looks charming.
It looks charming, and there are the birds with chirping,
There are some birds which are chirping.
which are chirping and
Chirping.
chirping,
Chirping.
and their sound looks charming.
Yeah.
And there are some trees,
There are some beautiful trees.
Beautiful
trees.
and which gives
Okay, that's fine. Next one, please.
Can I talk daily routine?
About anything. Yeah, yeah.
Today I woke up in the morning.
Today I woke up
Woke up
in the morning.
in the morning, 7 o'clock.
At 7 o'clock.
At 7 o'clock. Then I got shower.
Then I showered.
Then I showered. After that,
After that,
I took my breakfast.
good.
Then I get.
Instead of saying I took my breakfast, better to say I had my breakfast.
I had my breakfast. After that, I got ready to the Juma prayer,
I got ready to offer Friday prayers.
to offer Friday prayers. Then I offered my prayer, and then I got ready to come Royal Palm
To come here for my classes.
for my classes.
Right, at 2 o'clock I
At
reached
2
Royal
o'clock.
Palm. And now I'm attending my class.
Now I am attending my
My
class.
All right, focus your pronunciation. Next one, please. Yes.
After
After the class.
after the class, I have a meeting.
I have a meeting.
I have a meeting with my GM at 5 o'clock. Then after the meeting, I went. I went to.
I will go to.
I will go to Sialkot because there is also I have a meeting with
the company.
with the company.
Okay.
With the company. Maybe I came back.
I will come back.
I will come back at 12 o'clock.
Okay.
At 12 o'clock. Then maybe today I late.
I will be late today.
I will be late.
Late. I'll be late today.
I will be late today for sleep.
Okay. I'll be late to bed.
To bed. I will late to bed.
I will be late
I will be late to bed.
Okay. Thank you. Next one, please. After. Yeah, after the class. I'm going to the supermarket. Supermarket. I will go back home. After that, I will watch a movie with my children. Focus your pronunciation. I will watch a movie with my children. Then I will go to bed. Okay, yes, please, your turn. The mic is off. Turn it on, please. Yeah,
Morning walk is too much good for our health.
good.
After the class, I have to go for another course of the nutrition.
Good.
And after that, I have to read my novel,
Which novel are you reading?
Charms and the Chopper.
Okay, that's good. So you like literature?
Yes.
Good. And
And the weather is too much good.
the weather
Fantastic.
is too good. It's very pleasant.
Yes.
Just focus sounds of English. The weather is too good. It's quite pleasant outside. Right? And
And what?
all right, that's fine. Okay, so next time, now there is one assignment for you. Try to listen to some native speakers of English, the way they speak. On your mobile, you can watch a movie with subtitle, English movie with subtitle, and try to imitate them. Imitate means to copy. So imitation is the best way to improve your pronunciation, right? It'll help you. Thank you.